How to download Dora Home at Play Store. First, we click the Play Store and then click search and then type Dora Home. Yes, click search and then choose the Dora Home Smart Joyful Life Woolen and then click install and then click OK and then wait about a few minutes. So we already success to install the Dora Home apps. Thank you.